Hi all, today I'll show you how to prepare Bellada Kashaya. Boil water. This add little turmeric. Pepper powder. Roasted cumin powder. Add grated ginger or ginger pieces. Bring it to boil for 2 or 3 minutes. Now strain the kashaya. The healthy Bellada Kashaya is ready to be served. Thank you for watching.